Hey guys, David here at Mojo, and today's Friday, November 2nd. And in this short video, I'm going to cover 3 changes we made to the Mojo system this week. So let's jump right in. I'm going to head over to the data and dialer area, and the first thing we're going to talk about is that we've removed the no phones sublist from the properties calling list for Mojo data subscribers. And what that means is, prior to this week, if there was an expired property, for example, that came into your account that was a Mojo expired, that we didn't find a phone number for, we filed that away in its own sublist called no phones. And what would happen is people would call into us and say, hey, you know, I'm missing like 6 expireds from my area that I purchased. And we'd have to instruct them to look in the no phones list, for example, to find those records. And that was just a burden to both us and our clients, and specifically, and more importantly, it was a burden to our clients. So what this allows us to do now is, for example, I can go into my expireds list and I'm going to see all the properties, regardless of whether or not Mojo found a phone number for them or not. And what that's going to allow me to do is send mailers very easily, contact them via a email address that we found for that property, even though we didn't find a phone number. There's just a variety of reasons why this is better for you guys. So again, first change, we removed the no phones list. Second change, up to this point, up till today, our Mojo FSBO service did not scrub against actives. So, starting today, yes, you guessed it, anyone that is subscribed to Mojo FSBOs is going to start to see some of their for sale by owner data move around. And what that means is, if you've got a for sale by owner in your database that Mojo gave you, and it goes active in the marketplace, well, on the MLS, I should say, that lead is going to go, or that contact is going to likely go from your for sale by owner list into your active list so that you can stop marketing to it. So that's a major change. We're very excited about it. Additionally, these new rules and filters that we've put in place are going to help us deliver a better product right out of the gate as you receive new for sale by owners. Fewer and fewer of those are going to actually be active properties. So we're really excited about that. Last but not least, for those of you who are Zillow Premier agents, we've completed and delivered today to you, to your Mojo accounts, the new Zillow posting. This is pretty slick. Let's talk about this. Right now, a lot of you are using Zapier to post your leads from Zillow into Mojo, and it's kind of a pain in the rear end. Well, if you're doing that today, stop doing it. Let me show you what you can do now. For starters, I'm going to come over to my name, or the name on the account. That's not my name, but that's all right. And I'm going to click on integrations. I'm going to come to the bottom and I'll see Zillow, so I'll click on that. And in your account, in all likelihood, it's going to be unchecked. So I'm going to check this. I'm going to copy this API key, what we call an API key. I'll head over into my Zillow account, come up here to settings, connect to my CRM, and then from Add Partner, from the drop-down, I will select the Mojo Dialer and copy and paste that key into my Zillow account. And then that will connect your Zillow backend to Mojo directly without a requirement to use Zapier. It'll be faster, it'll be more streamlined, it'll be easier for you guys to use. If you're currently using Zapier and you set this up, just make sure that you go in and prevent or stop or delete, however it is you guys want to do it, your Zillow Zap that goes into Mojo on Zapier's side. Otherwise, you're going to have the potential for duplicate leads. And by the way, when you do begin to get new leads in your Mojo account via this new integration with Zillow, it's going to go into a unique calling list called Zillow. All right, folks, thank you for all the feedback and all the suggestions to make Mojo better. We're working on some really, really cool stuff that we're looking to drop into your Mojo account the tail end of this year, early next. And until next time, make it a great day.